Magnetic rodent barrier DIY pest control products can reduce small gaps around under-sink and cabinet openings where mice and rats squeeze through. Start by measuring the cabinet door edges and the gaps you want to seal. Then cut reinforced metal kick plates to fit the lower interior face of the door so they cover the vulnerable area from floor to hinge. Attach a magnetic seal strip to the kickplate edge that mates with a thin steel strike mounted to the cabinet sill so the plate stays closed under normal use, yet forms a continuous magnetic seal when the door is shut. For non-metal frames, use magnetic receptive tape adhered to the sill or embed a thin steel plate into a dense foam gasket so the magnet in the strip has a strong return path. Use closed-cell polyethylene or neoprene foam gaskets at least 1/4 inch thick to compress and fill irregular gaps. Compress them moderately so they seal but still allow the door to close without warping. Inspect plumbing and electrical penetrations behind the cabinet. Replace soft foam around pipes with high-density foam sleeves or use metal flashing sealed with silicone rated for plumbing joints to prevent rodents from enlarging gaps. Secure baseboards with long corrosion-resistant screws into studs or blocking, and where baseboard meets cabinet, add a magnetic strip paired with a thin metal channel so the seam becomes an active barrier. When cutting and installing metal kickplates, deburr edges, wear gloves and pre-drill screw holes to avoid splitting cabinet material, and test seals at multiple points by feeling for drafts or inserting a narrow wire to verify there are no bypass routes. Common mistakes start with relying solely on weak adhesive magnetic tape, which peels and creates failure points, so instead use mechanical fasteners through the kickplate and back up the adhesive with screws. Another issue is ignoring plumbing penetrations where rodents chew through soft insulation, so remove soft foam, fit metal sleeves or dense foam collars, and seal with silicone to maintain a durable barrier. A final common concern is creating a seal that interferes with door function or creates moisture traps that promote rot. So, size gaskets for light compression and use closed-cell materials and corrosion-resistant metals to both maintain function and prevent water retention. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and DIY resources relevant to magnetic rodent barrier solutions, and our community discussion boards let people share installation tips and product experiences. We also help contractors list their services and connect with homeowners looking for work in pest proofing and cabinet modifications.